If I could be understand the things that you do. If I could have got somebody just in your shoes. If I could have anybody, you know it would be you. And I got this feeling in my chest that you're not here, not understanding all the memories I can't suppress. But it's real love, I like some men. Like that night we had in Chicago. You pulled me up to the roof. And down to the people below us and there to the clouds. I would be lying if I wasn't deeper. I miss you, like I miss you, like right off my neck. I wanna know what you're doing tonight. Maybe there's something you're not feeling. I miss what's inside. I wanna know what you're doing tonight. If I could be anybody, I would be you. Keep my emotions in a box like you do. And do you ever think about going back to kiss my mouth? It's the taste of you, and it's always been you.